Here are 5 quick and healthy breakfast recipes. Number 1 is avocado toast. Egg to slices, whole grain bread 1/2 avocado, mashed salt and pepper to taste optional. 1 egg, sliced or 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes, halved combine mashed avocado, salt, and pepper on whole grain bread. Add egg or cherry tomatoes for extra protein. Number 2 is Greek yogurt parfait. Take 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup mixed berries fresh or frozen, 1/4 cup granola, 1 tablespoon honey optional. Layer Greek yogurt, mixed berries, and granola in a bowl. Add honey for sweetness. Number 3 is overnight oats. Take 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon honey optional. Toppings: fruit, nuts, or seeds. Mix oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and honey if using in a jar. Refrigerate overnight and top with desired fruits, nuts, or seeds. Number 4 is smoothie bowl. Take 1 cup frozen mixed berries, 1/2 banana, slice 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Toppings: granola, nuts, seeds, or fruit. Blend frozen berries, banana, almond milk, and chia seeds. Pour into a bowl and top with desired toppings. Number 5 is peanut butter banana toast. Egg to slices, whole grain bread 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1/2 banana, sliced. Pinch of salt. Spread peanut butter on whole grain bread. Top with sliced banana and sprinkle with salt. These quick and healthy breakfast recipes are perfect for busy mornings. Keep watching for more healthy ideas. Thank you.